A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. And F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for igloo. J is for jam. K is for kite. K, kite, kite. And L is for lion. L, lion. Roar. M is for monkey. N is for nest. Good job, everyone! O is for orange. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. And T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. And finally, Z is for zebra.